Well, I promised you a waterfall, folks, and that's what we've got. Well, not only have we got one, but we've got two. And isn't that an absolute cracker? See if we can zoom in a bit. Isn't that beautiful? So you can see the layers of the limestone there, the beds of limestone, far less steeply dipping here. And you can see how the top layer is eroded, and then you've got stronger layers below that haven't eroded quite so much. And the reason that you've got like steps in this waterfall as opposed to the overhang with the big drop like I looked at in some of my previous videos is because all of the layers here are the same. So they're all the same strength. So this waterfall will erode from the top down, whereas when you've got a weaker layer with a stronger layer over the top, the waterfall will erode from the bottom up, and you'll get overhangs with a massive drop. And that's why we've got the two steps here. There we go. Let me see if I can go and capture it from a different angle for you.